Today we're going to look at a few new formats which will allow your team to quickly and easily compare sites with access to power. Now, each site on BELISARI's platform goes through 85 plus data points, and they all map to the same consistent layout. And today we're specifically going to look at the capacity. This is the capacity waterfall chart, and a few definitions to run through first. As we move from left to right, you'll see there's 5 megawatts that are self-operating. This means that the current site is consuming 5 megawatts worth of power capacity, and they're consuming it for their own operations. If you move one right, you see third-party hosting. There's none there. Rack-ready capacity, meaning there's low voltage transformation. There's some level of container or data center and racking and your PDUs in place for actual hardware to be slotted, but in this case there's none. Unused capacity, you'll notice that underneath the 15 there's a check mark. That means that this is actually approved capacity and it's available to draw today. This one shows there's 15 megawatts that need to be transformed still from 46 kV. Usually distribution handoff may be at 34.5, 13.8, 12.47 kV. In this case it's 46, so you need different transformers for this site, something to consider. But this is the total available power. 5 plus 15 at that bar is the total available power. If you move one column right, you see future capacity. If this had any number assigned to it, like let's say it was 5 megawatts or 50 megawatts, that future capacity bucket means the power is approved, but it's approved for a future draw date. There's some future work that has to be done and committed to by a utility potentially, or ramp schedule that we've committed to. And so that we're calling total approved power, is everything future capacity and left. Now there's this potential capacity bucket where it's really a glimmer of hope. Maybe the utility has sent an email that says, yeah, we think we can get you another 20 megawatts, but there has been no load study or no kind of stamp of approval. It's just a nice to have that you can throw in the deck, but it's to be taken with a grain of salt.